Katie.
But no, this is not all aboard the Polar Express.
There's the one you're gonna get in.
The Amtrak. Guys, stop. Oh, I think
Oh boy.
we're gonna get on that
Oh
side.
boy. Oh boy.
Stop.
Car number 612.
Love y'all.
Oh boy. Mom. Mom, wave bye. Ryder, wave bye.
Bye,